today. It's real cold. Alright, so what we're gonna do today. Hold on, look real quick. It's cold, it's cold. Okay. Whew. It's out here in Michigan, right? Real nice day out. But it's fucking 20 degrees, so not too nice. We are gonna change these headlights out for the eBay special $100 black headlights. So let's do that right now. Basically, beast. I need a new filter like ASAP. Basically with this, what you're gonna do is, real quick, you gotta take out the grill, which is like 4 or 5 bolts, I can't remember how many bolts it really is. Take the grill out, and then you, headlights are kind of a pain in the ass to get to in this thing. So, you'll see, hold on, you'll see. The battery's going down on the camera, I gotta go charge it. Alright, so, I already pulled the grill off. I just didn't have the patience, it's really cold out. So while the camera's charging, I pulled it off. Basically, you have 4 10mm bolts on the top. They go over here, bang, bang, bang. And then you have these little clips right here. Basically, you come with your screwdriver and you hit the top of them. You peel the grill back, and you just literally hit the pot, and it pops off. So, a minute to take it off. It's very easy. Now, headlights are here. Big giant things. We have the new ones sitting in here. Maybe it's for $100, dude. I mean, you can't beat it, whatever. I'm waiting on some special things. So, right now, there's a bolt here, here, and here. We'll take them out. Get that right. I don't know how I just found this. If you ever work on anything, you never find 10 mils laying around. So I grabbed the first one I saw. It was a short one, but we got a long one, boys. You got an extendo. Yo, hey. Just like that, they're out. It's out. Now basically, you're gonna do these. You want to twist them counterclockwise. Your bulbs. Twist them. Should pop right out. Same thing. Over here, counterclockwise. Twist it. There we go. Twist it. There we go. So now, it comes to these little tabs. Take these tabs just so the dirt and shit doesn't get in here. I'm gonna peel all these stickers off. Get your bulbs, put them back in. Counterclockwise. Clockwise, I mean. Come in. Marker lights. That's it. And the worst part about installing something like this is definitely the putting it back, because basically you have, you can see down there, you have pins you gotta line up, and they don't like to line up very well. So you can see this shirt here, especially because it is cheaper Chinese shit. Like you can see this glue, right? Not the most quality thing, but for 100, I mean, for what you pay for, it's not bad. But you know, so we're gonna try to line it up, and I'll update you guys. And that is how easy it is to install new headlights on your truck. Now, the truck looks completely different now. It looks more mean to me personally. It matches the wheels and everything. But these are just temporary. I have something better coming for the headlights soon. You'll see that. Eventually, I'll sell these to one of you guys, or I'll give them away. It don't really matter. for right now, dude, it looks pretty sick. I don't know how much else I can say about that install, but if it looks right, I have to still install the platinum logos in the back because the back got repainted. So I might do that right now. But I'm gonna go outside and warm up real quick. So catch you guys in a second.
You make me